properly audible there. So today's topic is, Paul. You can see the topic in the description in the title as well, right? Now the thing is, as I defined or as I mentioned in the last live session, that I'm planning to go for tech news. So I'll be doing some tech news in future. The only problem is, I was doing some planning, and then I do follow a lot of tech channels, but then I also follow some apps. Now there are some apps available on Play Store from where I update my skills. Now one of the app which I use frequently is Flipboard, and there are some other apps as well. You can just go to Play Store and download the apps. Now when I use Flipboard, I customize it as per my requirements. So there are some sections in that, example, computer science, AI, Java, programming languages. So I customize the app as per my requirement. So every time I go to Flipboard, I see those things which I need, okay? We don't have regular updates, maybe one update in a week or two updates in a week. I do read those articles, and today I went to Google. I got some free time to check some tech news. So I went to Google and I searched for tech news, and what I got is all mobile reviews. I mean, think about this. In this technological world is moving so so ahead. In fact, we have AI. People are talking about AI. People are talking about machine learning. People are talking about IoT. But what we get as a tech news on Google is mobile reviews. In fact, the first 4 links which I got, the first link when I just went there, the first news was about Apple Watch. They have added some new button. The second news was of OnePlus 6. They got so many profit in this last week. I mean, think about this. We are living in a world of technology, and what we are getting is mobile reviews. I mean, I'm not saying they are bad. It's just that we have to focus more on the technological part, not on mobiles. Mobile phones are not equal to technology, right? Now, who to blame for this? First, I can blame the viewers, because maybe there's so many tech news available, but we only watch mobile reviews because that's what we like, right? So that's a good thing because we love mobile reviews. But the bad thing is, as Google has this SEO, so the more views you get, the ranking of that article will be higher. So maybe the article ranking is getting higher because of the viewers, because we have so many people who are watching tech news or mobile reviews. The second thing is, I can blame the content creators. Okay, so as a content creator on YouTube, we have to plan. Okay, so I do a lot of planning for my content. What content should go on YouTube? What content should not go on YouTube? And what's the flow of my content? So example, if I'm making videos for Spring Boot, if I'm making videos for AWS, the same way other content creators, they have their own planning. So in this planning, doing a mobile review as a tech news is not a good idea, because you are just posting so many tech reviews or mobile reviews as a tech news, which is changing the tech news field, right? So I encourage those people who post some technical tech stuff as a technical news. Example, last week I came across one channel, I forgot the channel name, something with Linux, I forgot the full name of it. So that guy only posts about Linux, the hardwares, and that's a tech news for him, right? Because he's master in Linux, and that's a technology, right? He posts about different hardware, the hardware which are coming up in the industry, which will change the way you compute, right? So there are so many servers available, right? We have cloud servers, we have data centers. So that's tech news for us, right? That is something which is changing the world. Mobile phones are not changing the world. Yes, that's something which we use a lot. But as a content creator, we need to plan about this stuff. So the tech news which I'll be coming in future, it will be having some sort of news, but not exactly mobile reviews, right? In fact, I got a lot of comments from some people that, I should be making mobile reviews, but that doesn't make sense. We have so many mobile reviews available, right? And it's of no use technically. We do buy phones, but once in a while, it doesn't make sense to have to spend much time in watching mobile reviews and those stuff. So I would recommend the content creator on YouTube as an article as well. I'm not just blaming YouTube here. There are so many Google articles available, and they all talk about mobile reviews. So go to so just do this, okay? Well, after this live session gets over, just go to Google and search for tech news, and find out the percentage of tech news and the mobile reviews, and you will find 80% of what you see on those tech news is mobile reviews. That's where the content is going bad, because we are living in an information age. Everyone go to Google to see tech news, and what you get is mobile reviews. So that's the only problem I have. I know there are a lot of people, they have different thoughts on this. I know there will be a lot of comments in this section talking about okay, you will be having your own thoughts, but the only thing is, I wanted to talk about this. I felt really bad, you know. So it was around 4:30 p.m. when I was reading the articles. So the moment I saw those articles, something came in my mind, and I wanted to make a video like this. So please, content creator, make technical content, make tech news, not mobile reviews. Second, viewers, please focus more on, so let's say if you want to get tech news every morning, just go to Google and search for tech news, which is tech news, not mobile reviews. And even if you are using Flipboard, that's one of the best app which I use. Just go to Flipboard. It's very famous on Play Store, I guess, because I'm using this from last 5 years, I guess. So go to Flipboard, and there are some sections, you know, particular sections like computer science, AI, machine learning. Just depend upon what technology you love, maybe .NET. So you can just check there and read the articles, and that's how you can improve yourself, right? So that's what the whole point of this video. Nothing much. I know I would like to know your thoughts as well in the comment section, and if you are with me, just click on like button. That's fine. Even if you can dislike, if you don't bear with me on this point. So that's it. That's about this news from my side. Bye bye. See you in the next live session. It will be on Saturday this time, because I'm going out for 3 to 4 days. I'll be in Hyderabad. Maybe we can have some meetup there. After that, we can have a live again. So bye bye everyone. Bye bye.